Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a protected self-extracting zip file, like what I'm showing you right now, using 7-zip. As you can see here, I don't have 7-zip installed on this machine, yet I can extract the archive file with just a double click. This protected self-extracting zip file is especially useful if you want to share your files without needing to worry whether the person you share your files with has 7-zip or not. Alright, now let me just show you how easy it is to create this kind of zip file. First, if you have not done so, download 7-zip from its official website, and then run the downloaded file to install 7-zip. Now go to your File Explorer, and then select the files and folders you want to archive. If you want to archive multiple files or folders, I suggest that you put all those files in a single folder first. Then right-click the folder, select 7-zip, and then click Add to Archive. On the 7-zip window, first give the archive the desired file name. Then make sure the archive format is set to 7Z. Now the most important part is to turn on the Create SFX Archive option. This is the option that will make your archive self-extracting. Then if you want to protect it with a password, enter the desired password under the encryption and make sure the Encrypt File Names option is checked. Alright, it's all set. Now click OK, and your self-extracting zip file will be created. Alright, now let me copy this zip file to my flash drive and open it on my other PC. So this PC does not have 7-zip installed. But if I double-click the file and provide the required password, I will still be able to extract the content of the archive. Alright, so that's how easy it is to create a protected self-extracting zip file. I hope you find this tutorial useful, and thank you for watching.